What's the meaning of that nonsense? Huh? What's that? Man, why would you be married to a man that can beat you? A man that lays his hand on you.
It's okay. It's okay. It's not like that, though. It's not like... Why would you say you leave?
Just hey. Come, let me take you with me.
No. Come on, oh, come on, say you okay? Come on. Let me go.
This love, I've blinded my eyes here. Ejira manyama, ejira zikwa manyama, ejira manyama, ejira zikwa manyama.
Today, I am going to show you that I am the one that gave birth to this fool you married.
Huh? Mama, me, your son is a fool.
Yes, you are even more than a fool. For allowing this stupid thing you married to insult your own mother. When you look at, instead of you to slap this her stupid face.
Hey, Mama, why do you like trouble like this? We have not done anything to you. Hey,
listen, you must sweep today. You must replace this mop you broke. You must cook, wash plates, wash my clothes, go to the stream and fetch drinking water. Except you do that, you will never have peace in this house. I will give you fire. I will run you out. I will run you in. In fact, I will skin you alive. Mama, today, I will show you.
Mama, listen, baby. I will go and bring another amount. You will do it for peace to reign.
May God punish that your mouth. For peace to reign. Not to respect your own mother. For peace to reign. Hey! Woman rabba. Woman rabba. Not for her to respect your mother. This thing you married.
Baby, I am just doing this because of you. I'm stubborn. Go to the village and ask who is on Malisha. I am very, very stubborn. But I just want to do this. Oh yeah, Mama, leave me. Let me go. Change that from up. Let me go. Leave me now. You want to naked me?
Go. It's yours. Go.
You don't want to go. Mama, give her.
Hey!
Give her more. Give her more. Take. Mama, put her here.
I will change my mind though.
Don't.
No, try. No. You change your mind. Change it. Let me see.
Mama, go down. Clean it.
Change it. Let me see.
I will do it.
Hey! Change it. I will change your mind. And I will
clean.
Hey!
For peace, clean.
Which peace? Tell her to respect your mother. Make her to understand it for my respect. Do it for my respect. Oh! Do it for my respect. Do it for my respect.
Let me clean.
Do it. Hey!
Amadi, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. It was an involuntary action. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It was an involuntary action.
Yes.
Just down on the streets, like a slut, kiss a man. Do you realize that you're married?
I'm sorry.
So that is the man that you've been screaming about. That is the man that makes you call his name when I'm on top of you as your husband. That is the man that you have been cheating on me with. That is the man that is trying very hard to destroy this marriage. Rose.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I promise I will not do it again. I will never try it again. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You're ashamed of yourself. Do you hear me? You should be ashamed of yourself. Will you be the first to have wet dreams about a man? People go through this and they handle it. They don't let it tear their marriage apart. But you are nothing but a cheap prostitute. That's what you are. You dare hurt me like this. You dare embarrass me like this. People were looking at me, laughing at me. My wife frolicking with a man on the street. And you come here to tell me you're sorry. Are you out of your mind? Alright? Do you know how much I've endured?
Let's go! I'm getting eh? What is your problem? I said I was telling you not to hear. You was the way you slapped me. Was that why you slapped me? Oh, I hate you, Mamura. Was that why?
Are you talking about me?
I am talking about you. And now, oh my God,
to show that guy who I am. Thank God! Thank God I was going out. Now I've seen the woman I've been looking for all this while.
Is she the person you told me about?
I am telling you, she is.
Pachama, this is bad. So bad. Do you know this guy just got a job in our company? Yes, not too long ago. Hey, my Chama. My Chama, I'm sorry.
How much is his salary?
I don't know, my Chama. I don't know.
All these hungry boys walking on the streets, you know. I am going to show him that I am J-Boy. I mean, he should consider the fact that this marriage between him and my lover is over. Because soon, I am going to take over from him. Yeah.
Chaman.
No problem. My lover! My lover! Can we at least go inside and sort this out?
You and who? Go where?
We can't be here now.
Amadi, I am leaving your house today. I'm leaving you, Amadi. I am done.
You're shouting. Our neighbors will hear us.
Let them hear. Let them hear my voice, so Amadi.
I'm sorry. Really,
Amadi.
I know I hate you, but I'm sorry.
Amadi, you raised your hand on me. Something that J-Boy has never done before, but you did it.
It was on impulse.
I am leaving you.
I'm sorry.
I'm leaving this house.
Please, no,
Amadi,
you won't
let me go and carry my box now. What is it?
No, please.
Hey!
Please.
Amadi, leave me alone, no. Leave me alone, no. Leave me alone and carry my box. Amadi, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
What is it, my Oga?
We have a situation here.
It's not situation. Which situation? Amadi has been beating me. He has been beating me.
My Oga, why now? You know she's a woman. Why?
But are you blaming me? Do you even know what she did? I came out here, saw her kissing your client.
Eh?
Yes.
My client?
If you were in my shoes, what would you do? What would you do? Do you know how much hurt you have cost me? And I'm standing here begging you. And you're being difficult. What is wrong with you? You know what? You want to leave? Leave. Yes. If you want to go, go. I don't care. Go. Yes. You're the one who offended me. And I'm trying to reconcile us.
I will go.
Go.
I will go.
Go.
I will go. I will go, Amadi.
Hi. See, but you shouldn't have done that. Eh? How can you be kissing a man on the road? Eh? My client, for that matter. It's not fair now. Remember, you are a married woman.
Read my lips. I don't care. Eh? Yes, I don't care. Come on, show me J-Boy's house. Where is it? Just help me. Come on, show me his house.
I should come and show you J-Boy's house.
Yes. You know the house. Come and help me. I want to see him.
I will not be part of that. You are a married woman. Yes. Come on, show me
his house now, because
I'm sorry. I
will stay here until I see a car that will take me to J-Boy's house. I will stay here. I will stay here. I'm not going to enter this house.
Baby, you have to warn your mother. I don't like this. You better warn her. Because I will not take this.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Eh? It will not happen again.
What did you just say? What did I just hear you say about me? My son should warn me. And you idiot! You agreed to do that. Up here?
Mama, it's okay. Now she has finished everything you told her to do. Hey, idiot. Idiot.
Hey!
Mama, you slapped me.
I will do it over and over again.
Mama, you slapped my husband.
Slap me.
What is this now?
Slap me.
It's not fair, oh.
It's not fair. They slap me.
I will react, oh. I will react, oh.
Come on, let us react together. Come, let us react together. Come, let us react together.
Mama, leave her now.
Come, Block me.
Mama, leave her. Mama, leave her.
I will bite you.
Leave her.
I will bite you. Come, let us react together so that the chemical reaction will form. Will form well. Come, let us react together. You are running away. Obioza, I am sorry for you. You see this thing you call wife you married? She is your doom. She will make sure she finishes you. In fact, bury you. Ntoge. Ebagomoto one chance. Opage. Yeah, but
Mama, leave her. Mama, leave her.
Hey! I will show you. Upon the action, we will react together. Where are you running away? Coward! Come, let us react together.
Cover me!
Cover you. Cover you. Nelu better cover you. Nelu will cover you everywhere. She's covering you. Continue the coverage.
Hey! You are a foolish man. A very stupid man. You don't have sense. Why are you so weak? So let me warn you. If your mother insults me next time, you will have it out with me. Hey! You are too weak. Oh yeah, stand up. Stand up! Come and massage my waist. It's paining me. Come and massage my waist. Oh yeah. Do it if you like.
Here.
Break my bone.
Let's go into the room now.
Which room? Which room? You're still talking about room. After you almost killed me last night, you're still talking about room. That's the only thing you know how to do. Foolish man. Oh yeah.
Here?
Massage my waist. No,
here.
There. Massage my waist. If you like, break my bones. Break it here. What are you waiting for? Oh guys, leave me. Oh, leave me, Augustine. Come.
Why would you explain like that?
Do what? Does that give somebody the right to pound me? Does it?
Rose, you should be ashamed of yourself. That act is shameless. For goodness sake, he has apologized to you. You pissed him off. You provoked him. After sorry, what else do you want him to do? You want his skin? Rose, countless times we have talked about the feeling you have for this fool standing outside.
Don't you dare call him a fool! Don't call him a fool again!
Are you serious?
What is so bad that we just met coincidentally and we hugged?
You kissed him. Stop lying. I saw you standing right there, out there. You were kissing him. Why are you lying to your friend? Rose, what have I done to you? Why do you hate our marriage so much when I love you so much?
Woman beater, woman beater. That's what you are.
Amadi.
Woman beater!
Amadi, please, can you just go inside? I beg of you. Let me have a talk with her. I promise to bring her in. Please.
Rose, what is wrong with you? We are married. This is marriage. Act like it. Huh?
Can you just
go? Agazi, no, it's fine. I'll go in, but tell her that
Woman beater, that's what you are.
I don't want to see...
Woman beater!
Shut up. Rose.
I don't want to see that boy here again. Do you hear me?
Please, Amadi.
I'm not playing.
Please.
If I see that boy here again...
Please. I beg of you, don't listen to her, please. Just go inside, please.
Woman beater!
Oh my God. Rose. Can you just shut up? What is wrong with you? Oh my God.
I should shut up.
You're trying to forget that you're married, right?
Kiji Burukwanoni. Eh?
Rose, come with me. Let's go and have a talk inside. Okay? Please, now. Don't provoke me. I'm begging you now, but don't provoke me.
I'm not going anywhere. This is where I will stay. See this house? I'm not going in there.
Rose,
I'm not moving an inch.
Let's go inside.
Agazi,
let's go inside.
Don't let me change it for you. Let's back this issue. This issue.
Shut up and
Agazi.
Let's go inside. Come.
I will divert this case.
Come with me, Rose.
I will divert this case. So I'm serious. So leave me alone. Go with him now.
Rose.
This love of blinded
Hey!
eyes.
I will divert the case. So leave me
What is this now? What is this? Please don't start, too. Don't start. What is this?
See, I had lots of things to do with money. So I used the whole of the money. Manage this. Oh, please.
Use the whole of the money, but I told you there is something I want to use money for. I told you now. Why this 5K now?
But I said I'm sorry now. Don't worry. I'll make it up to you the next time I go. Just take it this way.
See. Let me tell you. Since I told you there is something I want to do with money, this one now will not be enough. Add something for me. I don't want to be angry with you. Just add something.
Wait. I don't understand. Well, what do you mean by I should not make you angry? You don't want to be angry? I don't understand you. Are you trying to provoke or something? So I go now, collect money, I'll come and give it to you. Is it your body that is suffering it? Is it not my body? I have done a lot for you. Remember the first time I went, I gave you 20,000. 20 whole thousand. If you want me to continue this, it will not work. I will not do it. I need money. I need to save money. I need a lot of money to save up for my business. I want to stop runs. Take it this way.
What do you mean by you gave me 20,000? Is it not by percentage? I see. So this is what you have to say, This is what you have to say. Have you forgotten that we are doing it by percentage? Is it not 10%, 1%, 3%? Is it not the way we are doing it? Why 5,000? Why 5,000? See, let me tell you. You think you know something? You want to use me to stop doing your runs, Don't forget that I was the one that pressed the green button. This money that you're eating now, you collect 50, you do this, now me, you want to use shine. I can easily press the red button again for you to end the relationship.
Guy, you no fit do anything. You cannot do anything. You no fit. But if you want to, you can go ahead. See, let me tell you, I have been making cool money, big money from runs before I met you or him. So I don't care. I don't care. Do your worst. All you do is sit down, collect money, collect it. See, I have decided to save up money for my business. So if you don't like it that way, go ahead. In fact, if you think you want to stop him, go ahead. That is if you can stop him. After all, now me know how they service him. Not be you they follow me service him.
Now you know it's the service and you forgetting that me press the button. You call it? Okay, you want to use me to stop runs by saving money. Taking my money, I will still press the green button. I will press the red button. So that you end up the relationship. Look at this idiot. You are giving me just 5,000 naira. Oh, you think you're sweet? You think you know how to? Don't worry. I know J-Boy. J-Boy is my guy. It's time I convince him for him to test another side of the world, by giving him all this malaria disease, all this honor. Don't worry. Here, open your eyes. You want to use me? Sorry.
Look, I know that I hurt you. I know I shouldn't have hit you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I've been begging you. Please. Can we at least just, I made something that we can eat. Let's just have dinner. You have your bath and then, we'll go to bed together. You can't sleep here. Please.
Amadi.
Yes.
I have told you to leave me alone. You got angry and you hit me.
I'm sorry.
Allow me to get angry in peace as well. Is that too much to ask?
No, but I'm sorry. Look, I don't want us to fight. It's your first night in the city. We shouldn't spend it this way. Okay? Please, baby. Please. Please.
Amadi.
Yes.
I am sleeping here. I will sleep here. So for now, be on your own while I stay on my own. Stay on your own. Because I have a lot to think about.
Rose.
Amadi.
From the day I married you, I have never wronged you. I have never wronged you. I have loved you. With all of my heart. I have shown you the love that a man should show his wife. Sweetheart, let's not fight. We're beginning to see the light and the devil is trying to tear us apart. Let's not allow it happen. Please.
But right now, all this is it's as if you had a meeting with the devil. And why did you hit me twice? Twice!
Sorry. Right, I did it out of love. I couldn't control myself. I was hurt by what you did.
You did it out of what? Love.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Amadi, let me be. I am going to sleep here. Allow me be.
You shouldn't sleep here. Please no. I'm begging you. Please. Baby.
This love, I've blinded my eyes here. Ejira manyama, ejira zikwa manyama, ejira manyama.
Aye, your hand is doing me jiggy jiggy. It's doing me jiggy jiggy. Hand is doing me jiggy jiggy.
You they find my trouble for night, so I will look for your trouble in the day. Go and wash.
I will retaliate you.
No,
I will retaliate
I'm
you.
ready. No wahala.
Your hand is doing me jiggy jiggy.
Hey!
Your hand is doing me jiggy.
My goodness. What kind of a son did I give birth to? A woman! Are you a woman? Look at the way you spread your legs. Are you a woman? A woman? How can you be the one washing plates? Spread your legs like a woman, and she's there pressing your shoulders, ironing board. Hey!
Mama, what is it? Eh? You see why mothers don't train their sons to be a better husband? What is wrong that I'm helping my wife, my own wife, to wash plates in my own house? Is it a bad thing?
You have lost it. You have completely lost it. Shame on you, Ifelemi Wege. When you should be out there hustling, using your hands to make money so that you can take care of this miserable girl. You are there washing plates. No problem. I don't have any problem. You have started it. You must end it. Mbano, since you are the one washing plates, let her go and fetch water. Mama,
leave her.
go and fetch water.
Mama, don't worry. Just go inside and relax. You are tired. That's why you are saying all these things. When he is done washing the plates, we will go and fetch the water. Oh yeah, wash.
Hey! Jesus Christ of Nazareth. No. Hey! Ndidamaka, is this what you are seeing with your two eyes? So after him washing this plate, he will still be the one to go and fetch water. I will not watch you. Sit here and watch you turn my son into a houseboy. Your boy, your slave.
Mama, leave her now. Leave her. What is wrong? What is wrong?
You want water? You will go. Let him finish washing the plates.
Mama, what is wrong if I go and fetch water and wash plates in my own house? Is this not my family?
Are you really talking to me or your mama?
Mama, is this not my family?
That family accommodates me and includes me.
Mama, this is my family. I can do
Hold
anything.
your mother if she touches my body.
I am mad now.
Hold your mother. Hold your mother.
Baby, run. Mama, don't touch my wife.
Excuse me, ma'am. You sent for me, ma'am?
Yes, you can sit down.
Oh.
Is Amadi here?
Not yet, ma'am, but I'm sure he'll soon be here.
Okay. I've been trying his number since yesterday night till this morning. He's not picking. That is why I called you. To be sure there is no problem.
Sure he's okay, ma'am.
Okazi, you have been working with me in this office. And truth be told, I like your job. And I'm thinking of giving you a promotion.
Wow, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. I made some inquiries about you and Amadi, and I found out that you both are close family friends.
That's correct, ma'am. Yeah.
That is why I need you to help me. Yes, if you can make it work, everything I promised you, I will make sure I do them. Can I trust you on this?
Of course, ma'am, Yeah, absolutely. You can trust me.
So I can go ahead and tell you.
Absolutely.
Okay. The truth is that I like Amadi. Yes.
Okay.
I know he has a wife, but I like him. That is why I've called you. I want you to help me out. I want you to make it work. Yes. If you can do that for me, everything that I promised, I will make sure that I do. I don't know if we are on the same boat.
Mom, of course. I promise to I'll see what I can do, Mom.
Thank you. And I will appreciate you for doing that.
Try my best, Mom.
You can go back to your office.
Okay.
Come on now, are you still like this? Can you not just forgive and forget? Baby, please. Let's talk. You can't be this way today again. You were this way all through the night. You were not talking to me. You didn't even make me dinner. You didn't come to bed. Let's not fight. Huh? You haven't even had your bath. You're still in yesterday's clothes. Why? Because you don't want to share the bathroom with me.
Amadi.
I'm sorry.
Amadi.
I'm sorry.
Amadi. If I stay on my own, Unja. With you, Unja. What is it? Leave me alone. No. Eh? Happy Maka Amadi, what is it?
So that you're shouting. Please, let's not fight today, okay? Remember you were meant to come with me to the office today. Remember, I had spoken so highly of you with my colleagues and they were meant to meet you today. Remember, we talked about it. It's actually today. Yeah, they'll be excited to meet the woman in my life. Baby, come on.
Amadi.
Yes, love.
You should need the shop, okay?
What?
No! What? What? You think you are smart? Okay? So that they will go see it. If J-Boy happens to come here, I'm out from. Follow you to your office, okay? You're not smart at all. You're not smart. If you like, don't go to your office. So stay here with me. My natural goal, if they sack you, don't call my name. Don't come and say it's Rose. Tomorrow you should call Rose.
You know you're hurting me, right? Baby, you're hurting me. This is not how we started. What you're doing to me is not fair. Is it because you know that I love you? Was I wrong to have picked you up from the village and brought you here so that you can stay with me and we can live happily? What have I done now?
Amadi?
Yes.
Chire, is it me you were saying you picked from the village?
No, look, I didn't mean it. Shut. I didn't mean it that way.
Amadi?
What?
No. It's me that you are saying you picked from the village.
Let's not fight.
I don't blame you. It's not your fault.
Can we not fight?
Amadi, it's not your fault!
Okay, can we fix this?
But it's okay. I don't blame you for all this thing. It's not your fault.
Can
you picked me from the village.
Walk away, please, so that this does not fester.
Oh, Malija! You must go to the stream and go and fetch drinking water. We cannot continue to drink this rainwater. It's no longer possible. Go to the stream and fetch water.
Mama, leave my clothes now. Why are you holding me? Do you want to tear my dress?
Yes, let me tear it. My son bought it for you and I tore it. Case closed.
Mama, this is not good now. Allow her now. She will go later. Or rather, give me, let me go fetch. Mutodi, give me, let me go.
Get him, if I use this thing to hit you now, you vomit blood and die. Are you mad?
Why are you doing this thing now?
So you would prefer your wife to disobey your mother than you standing by my side and forcing her to go and fetch water?
I thought you agreed that I should marry her. Why are you doing this thing again?
Yes, see. Now you know what we're talking about. I agreed for you to marry her so that I can show her the red part of me. Ngwa, go and fetch water.
Mama, not fetching.
Ngwa, go and fetch water.
I will not fetch water. I will not.
Mama,
It's good for you.
Mama,
It's good for you.
Mama, leave her now.
Hold your mother.
My wife! Oh! Hey! Oh, Malija! Oh, Biazo!
sorry,
Two of you have killed me. Oh.
You see what I
you
said?
You have killed me.
I did not push you.
Oh, come and see.
Don't call my name. Oh, Malisha did not push you. I did not push you.
Mama, sorry.
And as for you,
Baby, go inside.
you are standing here and your mother is doing this to me. I will show you Pepe today. You will see, today is your date. Just die. Just go and die. Don't call my name. I did not do anything to you.
Break your mother's face.
I did not push
Your
anyone.
mother's face. Your grandmother's
Mama, you see?
Hey!
See this is what I'm saying, no? I said, calm down.
Did I do anything for allowing my son to marry a wife? Hey! I cannot even get up.
Mama, get up.
I cannot get up. I cannot get up. Hey! This is this is wickedness.
Listen, I don't want to listen to anything until I'm done with what I have in mind about that fool and take my wife from him.
Chairman, that is not why I'm here. That is not the reason I'm here. I'm here for another thing altogether. It's about that girl, Uncle Lee.
What about her? I've told you I don't ever want to talk about her again. What did she do?
Chairman, see, let me tell you, that girl, she's no longer what we think she is. Hey, you know, last time I told you she's a malaria reducer. You know, but now, my chairman, that girl is up to something else. She's well now. If you are to enter now, you hear, well. She's not well. You know, she got you be.
But you are the one that said she is a nice person.
That was then, my chairman. That was then. She's no longer what we think she is.
Well, boy, I don't ever want to talk about her or anything or see you until I am done with what I have at hand. Then we can talk. Did you hear me?
No problem. But my chairman, yes, but I would like you to stop patronizing her. She's no longer what we think. I know why I'm telling you this. Before, that girl, she was a swimming pool where you swim and enjoy yourself, you know. But now, she's a river Naija, river Benue. When immediately dived in, you'll be dragging yourself, looking for someone to help you out. Because you avoid the implication of human abuse.
Good morning, ma'am.
Oh,
Morning, ma'am.
my boy is here.
Good morning, ma'am. August, you told me that you had requested to see her. I'm so sorry I'm late. I have so much going on right now in my life, and I'm sorry, however. Okay.
It's okay. What is the problem? Talk to me. I can help you solve it.
No, ma'am. It's a bit personal. I don't think it is something that you can help with.
So what could it be? Well, I have good news for you.
Okay.
Yes. The company just reached us that you guys will be traveling to Canada for the training. So you see, that means you'll be traveling out of this country very soon. So, give me a hug.
I'm sorry. I can't help you. I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Ma'am, please. I'm sorry. I cannot hug you. And I'll also humbly request that my name is taken off the list for the training. I'm sorry. I have a lot going on in my life right now. I cannot even leave town, talk more of traveling out of the country. So please, ma'am.
Amadi.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know the offer you're trying to turn down?
Yes, ma'am. I know. I totally understand it. It's just that a lot is going on with me, right? Madam, can I go on this training trip with my wife?
Hell no! Wife what? You can't! You can't go with your wife.
Well, in that case, I would plead that I am allowed to keep working here. Maybe some other time I can join them, but as for now, please. There's a lot I'm dealing with. So much I'm dealing with. I can't travel. I really cannot. And as for the hugs and pegs and all of that, please can you not ask me to do that? It's really not in my character to do that with my bosses at a place of work. Don't get me wrong, man. I appreciate the job. I mean, it's been a blessing. You have been great to me. Your benevolence is unparalleled. I appreciate it. But please, I hope you understand where I'm coming from with this.
It's okay. You can go back to your duty.
Thank you.
You see, to think that I told you this, so I warned you. I'm trying so hard not to laugh at you right now. Eh? I told you that girl is not a good girl, but you insisted. Now, who is feeling the heat? Hey. Hey, Mama, just calm down, please, okay? Just calm down. Okay, Mama, just calm down, okay? Just calm down. And stop crying. Okay, what do you want me to do now? And I can't possibly start coming today. It's not even possible. I have my own life to live, Mama. This week I'm on the road to the village because of Obi. The next week I'm back on the road because of Omalicha. What about me? Hey God. Mama, I'm so sorry, okay? I'm sorry, but you brought this upon yourself, Okay, I need you to just stop crying right now, okay? Let me just finish work and then I'll call you right back after work. And let's talk about this all over. I was warning you about this girl. You never listened to me. You never did.
Okay. Have you printed the reports? Madam is asking me.
Bye.
Okay, have you printed the reports? Madam is asking me about it.
My God. I have not, so... Hey goodness, everything is just turning upside down. God, what do I do? I'm so confused.
What is it?
My dear, it's my brother and his wife. They're beating my mom.
What? What is wrong with that your brother? Is that guy stupid or what? What is wrong with him?
My dear, I don't even know. Like right now, I am trying so hard not to think that that girl is holding my brother with something. Of course, I know my brother on his own is a foolish person, but conceiving the idea of beating up my mother in his presence, it doesn't feel like it's ordinary. And I can't possibly be on the road every week going home because there's always a fight, there's another fight. I have my own life to live now.
Nne, I will advise you to go and take your mother out from that village and bring her here in the city. Since you're staying alone, please. I'm only saying this before your brother and his wife will kill her.
I think you have a point. You have a good point, you know. But heaven knows that if I set my foot in that village, certainly not without a fight, I'm going to deal with that girl. I will teach her a lesson she'll never forget in a hurry. Because, I mean, like, beating up my own mother.
I beg, free that village girl. Fight. Please, let's print that. Because, madam, the way she's sounding, she's very angry. She's like,
So he beat you up again?
Yes. Jebo, you caused all this. Why did you leave me? Why?
Baby, I'm sorry. But you know I have to go for greener pastures. See, I can't explain all this here. Let's go to my house, okay? Please.
You know your words melt my heart, right?
Let's go, please.
Yes, go.
What kind of love is this? What kind of human being are you? Do you want to kill your mother just because of love? Just because of love? Is this abomination before the world?
Mama, sorry. Sorry. She has gone to fetch the water so that you will calm down.
Don't beg me. Don't just beg me. I have called Ogasi. She will come back and I'm going to tell you we see war. I'm going to tell you we see Burma War. World War I, World War II, World War III. All the wars in this world, she will see all of them. For pushing me down, she will see war.
Mama,
don't beg me.
Push you down. She has gone to fetch water. Calm down. Stop issuing threats.
Obioza, I am ashamed of you. I regret ever giving birth to you. Look at the way she's carrying water, as if she's carrying the whole world on her head.
Obiozo, come on, get up from there. Come on, move this dirty gallon from my head.
Baby, sorry. Baby, sorry.
Hey! Whoever that did this thing to you finished you. For having you as a son, I am disappointed. And for you, you are feeling on top of the world because you went to the stream, just stream here.
Mama, this is water. You asked for water, water is here. Why are you still talking? If you just like trouble, why are you in trouble? So if you talk to me again, I'll hit your face.
Mama, what is it?
What is what? What is what? You sit down, stand there and watch your wife insult me. You see, what is this?
Obiozo. Oh yeah, go inside, go and get me food. I'm hungry. I don't want to get angry anymore. I am tired of this intimidation in this house. Go inside, I'm hungry!
If you don't get angry, I will kill you myself. Hey! She doesn't want to get angry. Get angry.
I will go and get the food.
Get angry.
Mama, I'll go and get the food. Go.
Get angry.
Let's go, let me get the food.
Move.
Get angry.
Mama, come here.
Get angry. If you don't get angry, I will kill you today. Mama, get angry.
Mama, you need water. Water is here. Relax. There's water.
Mama, what is it? What is it?
Get angry.
Is it not me that she sent?
Get angry.
It's okay.
You are a disgust. You are a disgrace to yourself. Look at how a woman is controlling you because whatever she puts inside her whatever in between her legs, that is why you're dragging yourself like that, controlling you as if you're a baby. Fear!
I'm a baby. I'm my baby. It's okay. Let me give her food.
The baby around now. Go and baby to death.
Mama, sorry.
Get away from my face before I slap you. Mama, get away. Get away. Get away. Get away.
Mama, sorry.
Hey! Didamaka, what did you see? Didamaka, what did you see?
Is this love unbreakable? Is this love unbreakable?
This place is beautiful.
Baby, as I go back, I bought this place for us. I mean, I wanted us to live here, grow up together, and have kids. But look at me now. Who am I going to spend the rest of my life with here?
Why are you saying this? All this is your fault. You caused it.
I know. But as soon as I got there, I was trying to get across to you, but your phone wasn't going through. You should have waited for me.
Really? Tell me. What do you want me to do? What? How do you expect me to be happy knowing that you're going to enjoy all of this with another woman? Why didn't you come back on time? Why? Do you know what you've cost me? I have been messing up. If not that Amadi loves me foolishly, I'd have been back to my mother's house long time ago.
It would have been better. Yeah. Because since I got back, I've been looking for you. I even saw your friend, Alice, asked after you and she insulted me, like rained insult on me.
What do you expect? Oh, tell me. What do you expect from them? Every single soul in my family is angry with you. Even my friends. J-boy, I'm equally not happy with you. Tell me, what do you want us to do now? Tell me, where do we start from?
Come on, Amadi. How can you do this? It's such a mistake.
It's not a mistake. I can't travel now. I cannot. You know what's going on? How you advise me to leave Rose behind with that guy hanging around her. I won't do that. Anything can happen in my absence.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
All of this because of Rose and J-boy? For crying out loud. Amadi, your job is at stake. You know what I will ask you to do now? I am begging you. Go back there. Apologize to her. And tell her you acted out of anger. I'm sure she's going to forgive you. Okay? So that you can pull yourself together and go for this training. Okay, look. Here's what I think you can do, okay? If you're so worried about Rose. Take Rose back to the village to be with your mom. Or better still, bring your mom to live with her in the city. That way, at least you have first of all travel. Because even when you're not around, your salary goes on. And most importantly, this company is owned by white men. Amadi.
You actually think that my mother can tame Rose? Especially now that Rose has seen that guy. Do you know that he lives a few blocks away from my house? Anything can happen. You don't know how I feel right now. I feel like killing that idiot.
My God. Amadi, just hear yourself talk. You're not going to kill anyone. Okay? Certainly not. You are going to go for that training. Please, don't let Rose make you destroy what you have right now. Fine, if she wants to leave you, let her go. This is probably going to be a test of love. If she leaves you, that means she was never meant to be your wife. I mean, you know Madame loves you, right? I mean, she cares for you. She likes you. Amadi, look, at this point, I'm not suggesting anything, okay? But if you have to pretend to date her just so that we can have our benefits, Madam promised to promote me if I help her convince you to date her. So please, for the sake of our interest.
No, for the sake of your interest. Okazi, how can you suggest a thing like that to me? Rose is your friend.
But I'm
what? Shh, quiet. You want me to sleep with her boss because she has promised to promote you? Okazi, no. I'm disappointed. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to keep my hands clean. So that when Rose goes out online, karma comes for her. That is how it works. I love my wife. We're having issues, yes, but I love my wife. I love my wife. I'm not going to cheat on her.
Okay.
Don't talk like that.
Oh my God, I'm the bad one here, right? I'm just trying to help you secure your job. My goodness, I also want this promotion too.
Baby, marry me. We can travel out, any country of your choice.
J-boy, how can I marry you? I'm someone's wife.
But that's all we can do now. Because I can't imagine myself enjoying all this alone or with someone else, knowing that the woman who stood by me is not comfortable. Maybe I can get you a car or any gift of your choice, name it.
That won't be possible. But you can give me money. If I have money in my account, nobody will know. But if you give me a car or anything, people will see. They will talk, oh. People will talk. And Amadi, he is ready to kill just to have me. I'm just confused. I'm so confused.
I am confused too. But are you saying he loves you more than I do? I love you more than he does.
Stop. Stop, J-boy. Don't do that. You know my weak point. Even Amadi does not know that. I'm feeling somehow. I'm no longer myself. Let's not do this, okay? Let's figure out what to do.
Can I get you something to drink?
No. No. You know what alcohol does to me. You're up to something.
I'm not. Just want you to feel comfortable.
Wait, what's the time?
5:30 p.m.
I need to go. I'm sure he's back.
No, baby. Okay. Let's make it 6:30, please. One more hour.
No, don't know, Amadi. I need to go.
Baby, I miss you.
I need to go. Come back, okay?
Come here.
No. Miss you.
Guy, I don't understand you anymore. I saw your mother crying as she was going on the road.
Guy, crying for what? Eh? Crying for what? Crying because I helped my wife to wash plates. I helped my wife to say, let me go and fetch water. I helped my wife to sweep the house. What is wrong in it?
Guy, it is wrong. Eh? Wait, yesterday you did not come to the site where boys were working to earn money. You were at home sweeping and washing plates. What is that? Eh? And you know, Malicha, if she asks you for money and you don't give her, you will be in hot soup.
See, if my wife need money, my sister will give me money. My sister can never refuse to give me money to give to my wife. Else you
See, Obina. Hey! So this is what you came to my house to say about me?
What did I say? Is it right, Omalicha? Is it right for you to be fighting your mother-in-law?
Oh, okay, they've told you, Abi? You came here now as the judge. Hey! Chief Judge, I hail. My friend, get out from this place.
Eh? I should leave. Omalicha, are you mad? I should leave this. What is wrong with you? Are you losing it?
Go, what is it? Why are you shouting at my wife?
Obioso, if I close my eyes and I open it, I don't want to see this donkey here. 1, 2.
Baby, calm down. You have to start going.
You're not telling me to leave. I should go.
Oh, I don't want my wife to be angry. You have to start going. You have to go.
No problem, I will go. But we shall see you. Continue. We shall
go. When we see later. See
you. Hey.
It's okay.
Hey, man. Hey. Why is that you don't have any good person around you? All your friends are useless. Did they curse you? Oh yeah, move. Come inside. I want you to massage my back.
I'll do that.
Hey!
Didi Amaka, how could you make such a mistake? Didn't I warn you earlier? Who doesn't know Monica in this village? Eh? How could you allow your son to marry her daughter?
It's not my fault.
It's not my fault. I tried. Even Ogazano Broso kept fighting over it. What would you have me do? I didn't even know whether I girl charmed my son. Eh?
Honestly, I don't like this. It's unlike you.
What will Ogazi do in this matter now? She's just a girl. Obiozo is her elder. She can't fight him.
And that is why I have come now. So that you will help me talk to Amadi. So that Amadi can help talk to my daughter. If possible, I can leave this village and go and join Ogazi in the city. So that I will not die before my time. Eh? Do I have called her? But you see, it's better Amadi talks to her. Biko,
Because last time I called her, she was sounding very busy. You could help me.
There's no problem. Don't worry. Amade called me this morning, but I wasn't around to pick his calls. Later, I will buy credit to call him back. When we talk, I will tell him about this matter. Oh,
thank you.
He will definitely talk to your daughter. Enugo. Do you see that girl? Hey, Bomb! I know Monica and her family very well. I know them. That girl, she's a devil. Small but mighty.
So this is how I entered One Chance.
Oh, Maka, One Chance. Ewubara one chance.
Just go to the house. Stop it. No, she's not home. Don't tell me to calm down, alright? Calming down right now will fix this. How is it that I go to work, come back home, and my wife is not home? I don't know. No, she did. What? Oh. Look. She better not be there. She better not be there. She better not be at that boy's place. We're going to kill some. Okay. All right. All right. Fine. Ogazi, can I call you back? Thank you. Boy. Yes, how are you? Good. Are you in town? Fine. There's something I need you to do for me. No. It's something you can handle. I need your help. I'll call you back in a bit to tell you what to do.
Hey! Yamaka! Make it come back here. And what time you could see? I am finished, Yamaka. I am finished. It has finally happened. Yes, he has called back.
What did he say?
Yamaka. When will my son have peace in his marriage? When will Rosaline stop hurting my son?
But you have not said what happened. You have not said anything. You're just talking and talking and talking.
My son called me and said that Rosaline has met with her ex-boyfriend in the city. She ran to that man. Two of them are living together. They're even living in the same street.
What? Did they see?
Didi Amaka, are we not living in a small world? What do I do now?
No. Calm down. This is nothing to panic about. If Rosaline continues to hurt her mother the way she's going, you lay a curse on her womanhood. But just let us go to her mother's house and send a warning to her. Don't bother yourself.
DJ Mark, I think you are right.
Yes, if it is not fine. So let us quickly go.
You are right.
Now.
So where are we going?
Let us go there now. Naju, where are you going?
DJ Mark, come go.
This love have blinded my eyes.
Did you take my money?
How much?
I left 3,550 there. I'm just in it 550.
Oh. That money. Hey, I use it to buy powder and, that is what I'm trying on my face to see how it looks.
Hey. How could you do this now? That 3,550, that is all I have as a man. Both bank, both at home, carry me up, knock me on the ground. What will fall out is 3,550. You took the 3,000 to buy powder. Hunger will kill us.
Hey.
Hunger will kill us.
Obi, how is that supposed to be my problem? Hey, Omalicha, you have married poverty. Hi. How did I make this mistake? You don't have money.
Hey! If you know what is good for you, better take this your 2 legs. Go outside and hustle like a man. In fact, double your hustle because you see me on Malisha. I don't like poverty. Anywhere there's poverty, I am never there. See, you better go and hustle. I don't want hunger to fire me in this house. And besides, I told you I need some money to get clothes and the rest things. So get ready because tomorrow you will give me money to go to the market and buy those clothes.
Baby, is this all you can say? I'm telling you that you took all the money I have as a man, 3,550. That is all I have. I can only bring out 3,550 nana. You took the 3,000 and this is what you are saying. Huh?
Hi, you are a wicked man. You are a very bad husband. So you like the way I've been looking so local like a dirty pig in this compound? You don't want me to be beautiful, Abi? Hi! Anyway, I don't have your time today. I just want to look beautiful today. So I don't have your time. You see all this energy you are wasting, you are shouting, you are raising your... Just save your energy. Because tomorrow if you don't give me that money, you will know that you married a demon. I will show you real life demon. Just reserve your energy, yeah? Because I want to get new clothes and new panties. After all, you were the one that tore my panties. When you be dragging me in bed, dragging here. You tore them now. So just get ready. You don't have money. Poor man. When your mates are hustling, you are sitting down telling me, did I take your 3,000? Did I take your... What kind of human being are you?
Why are you doing this? Would you be the first to have a lover? Would you be the first to have some imaginary lover that you constantly would have to run out of this house to go see? What have I not done to make you happy? I got a job. Now we're in town. I'm trying to make you happy, and then you leave me every day in this house to go sleep with another man. You're hurting me. You're breaking my heart. What has come over you?
Amadi, nothing. Nothing has come over me. You are the one who is simply overreacting. Obviously.
But I'm overreacting?
Yes, you are.
You're hurting me by your actions and you say I'm overreacting? Don't make me smack you.
Hey! Amadi, try it. Try it. Try and touch me. No, try it, Amadi. Eh? What is all this stuff? What is it? In fact, I'm tired. I am done with this marriage. I am tired of you. Eh? Go back to the village and take your dowry. I'm done.
That's what you do. Every time I scold you, you threaten to leave me. That's what you do.
You're smart.
Is it because you know that I love you? Is that why you're hurting me like this? Huh? What have I ever done that would make you humiliate me like this? Stop what you're doing. Remember that there is nothing there, really. There's nothing there. The grass is always greener when you're looking at it from afar. Don't do what you're about to do.
Preacher.
You're going to regret it.
Preach on.
Don't destroy what we have going. Don't walk away from...
Get in the neighbor. Bang, bang, bang here.
Bang, bang.
Please come inside and sit down.
She said she does not want the inside.
I told him inside the mongo and hold them. Bia, I came here to ask you, as the mother of my son's wife, what have we done to you people?
Nothing.
What has my son done to your daughter that makes her wants to kill my son at all cost?
Lord, what are you saying? What she's saying and what happened is that you should warn your daughter right now before it is too late. because we were reliably informed that she has met up with her old boyfriend in the city.
Chimo.
And they want to kill Amadi for nothing. Is it wrong for Amadi to love the wife? Joya, is it not by biblical injunction?
No, ask her, ask them. Joafa, I'm ready for your way go gonna beg her. Get it for us. Look, warn your daughter. Jidekwa nwaga. Jidesikwa yike. If she continues to hurt my son the way she's going, I'm telling you, I will naked myself and lay curse on her womanhood.
Chimo.
I will lay curse on her makucheya. I am warning you. And what that woman that calls herself Mama J-Boy. Mama J-Boy. J-Boy wanna call that barabara. She should warn her son, oh. Hey, they should not toy with me. They should not toy with my family. I am not the type you will climb my nose and get balanced in ban. You cannot balance on my nose. Because they will run. If I come very well, they will run. They will run. Oh. I am warning you. Go and warn them.
My in-law, please, I've heard what you said. I will not let this happen. No! About Mama J-Boy, I've gone there severally to warn that woman to tell her son to stay away from my daughter. And all my effort is not yielding any good fruit. I support you whatsoever you plan. I'm by your side. Huh? I will be with you. We will deal with them. I will not let this happen. Promise. Ow! God.
Everything you are saying is good. The things you said you will do is good. But put your daughter on the leash. Put that dog, that straying dog, put it on the leash.
On the leash. On the leash. Libe nobody. Liwe kwa ngori nobody. Makana nwunye nkita na amagari na achu oke nkita.
Otua.
Nwagi ngori bo nwunye nkita na amagari na achu oke nkita. Jidekwa ya o.
Put her on the leash. My
in-law, is that the reason why you will not
hold it?
Hey! What am I going to do? Go and get your phone. Bring your phone. Hey! Will this thing happen while my eyes still open?
Hey! Amadi.
What?
Amadi, leave me alone. I must leave this house today.
You're not going anywhere.
I'm not going anywhere.
No. You know what? I'm sorry. I have apologized to you. Please.
Apogini. Please. Apologize. That apology is useless. It is useless. I am done with you.
Please don't be done with me. Please.
Hey!
Don't let the small boy break us up. Please. I love you. I don't want you to go, please. We can fix this. We can sort this out.
Amadi, I will fight you!
Go ahead and fight me, alright? Punch me, hit me, whatever it is you want to do, but just don't go. Alright? Please don't leave me. Please. Please stay.
Amadi, leave me alone! Amadi, I will fight you! I will fight you, Amadi!
Fight me. You know what? Just fight me, hit me, do whatever it is you want, but just don't go. Alright? Please, don't go. Please, don't. Please.
Let's see if you will not go to work tomorrow.
We'll sort this out.
Okay? No, you will live here constantly, not going out.
We can sort this out. Please.
No, get the bag.
Please, we can sort this out.
Keep it. Please. Let me see if you not go to work.
Please now, please.
Tell your son to leave my daughter alone to marry her husband. I will not say this again. Oh. If anything happened to my daughter's marriage, I will kill your son. Mark my word.
If only I will set my eyes on him. The day I set my eyes on him, I will show him that I am a man, that I have some strength in me.
Ure, please wait. This is not how we're going to talk about this. Please! You know too well that I know nothing about anything they are doing in the city. Please! I am not in support of it. Akam, Ukum, Adelia, Enoria. Then if you are not in support of it, call him to order. Rose is now a married woman. Why would your son want to destroy that girl? He has left him before. I know what I suffered to recover my daughter from going crazy. Now she's married. And your son is back to destroy that marriage. I will kill myself for you. Hey. I will kill myself for you people. Hey. This whole community will hear our voice.
Chimo. Mama, let's go.
I have finished my own.
Mama, let's go.
I will not say it again. I will not.
Mama, let's go.
Mama, did you just see what your brother has put me into?
Mama, calm down. Calm down. I will call brother so that we'll talk to him. You are still waiting. You are still talking about calling him. Go and call him for me. Tell him that I'm dead. God forbid, Mama, you will not die. Is it not the girl that left her husband to go and follow my brother? See, let me tell you. I will get mad at you. Go and call him for me. What is he remaining? I will call him. Hey. Eh? Oh. Call him there.
Oh God, what kind of embarrassment is this? They don't need to move me here.
Eh? What kind of embarrassment is this? How? Demma! You are not calling him!
Show this guy I was the first to love Rose. Yes! I was the first! She was the love of my life until I left to make money abroad. I'm going to remain here until Rose comes out and I must take her out of this poverty-stricken house. Who is he? I'll kill you. I will kill you before your time. I mean, you are going to die today or tomorrow. I must kill you. Yeah, because she wasn't there when I decided to travel and Rose decided to wait for me only for you to come and confuse her. Hello, Mama? Mama, please. I am not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. Is there any call until I get what I want? Mama, yeah, hello. Mama Chalu. Hi, how are you?
Very well.
Do you live here?
No. Anything the matter?
Okay, I'm looking for one lady that lives here.
Okay.
By the name Rose.
Oh, okay. And you are supposed to be who?
I am J-Boy. Please just tell her that J-Boy is here to see her.
Oh, really? You are the almighty J-Boy.
Oh, yeah. I am the almighty J-Boy and I am here to see Rose, my lover.
Interesting. Of course I know about you.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
I do. I know you well enough to know that you are one hell of a stupid person. You're so foolish. So...
I myself?
Yeah, so this is all of you, right? You were the one causing confusion in my friend's marriage, right? You know, from the sound of your name, I was expecting somebody way bigger than this.
Like you're insulting J-Boy.
Mm-hmm. I am. And I will do more if you don't exit this premises the next minute.
I've made money.
Okay.
I own a whole lot.
Mm-hmm.
Then who are you to insult me? A male girl?
Mr. J-Boy or whatever you think your name is. Listen, you have caused enough damage in this marriage. Now, exit this premises. Otherwise, if I make a phone call, I'm gonna get your ass arrested. And this is not a threat, but a promise.
Damn you! Who are you gonna call? The police IG? The commissioner of police? Who do you know? Look, even though I don't know anybody, my money can buy me friendship. Do you get that into your skull?
Oh God. You know what? Out of this place now. Get out!
You're mad. You are crazy. And I will deal with you.
Excuse me. Stupid asshole!
I am still here! Tell Rose I want to see her!
And where is that Rose? Amadi, what's going on? Are you okay? I mean, where are you going? Why are you like this?
Your friend is making my life difficult. I don't know what I've done. What have I not done to make her happy? What have I not done in this marriage? I have shown her love. I love your friend. Why is she hurting me?
Okay, so where is she?
She's in the room. She's threatening to leave me.
Seriously? So you mean that stupid looking boy outside is the reason for all of this thing going on, right?
Boy, what are you talking about?
I just met someone outside. He said his name is J-Boy and I should call Rose for him. Yes.
What? He's outside?
He's outside. Kill him if you can, okay? I'm in support of it. Like, no sense. Kill who? I have kill him. Kill who? Rose, what is wrong with him? Hey? Kill who? Hey! Come back here. Come back here. Are you okay? Are you not tired? Eh? Are you not tired of doing this in your marriage?
Ogazi.
Yes?
Are you mad?
What?
Are you stupid? Eh? Ogazi, am I your sister?
No.
Thank you. Am I married to your brother?
You're not.
What is your problem? How is this any of your business? Ogazi? Eh?
Rose.
Okay.
I get it. What?
You want Amadi? Go ahead. Go ahead and have him. As for me, this marriage is over. I don't want again.
Hey, stand back. I'm not done talking to you. Are you okay? What is even your problem, Rose? Ain't you tired of causing problem in your marriage? This Jacob will kill you one day. As a friend, I've done all I can to talk to you, put you in check. But you're so stupid and big-headed. Oh, that's good for nothing big-headed idiot standing outside is the reason the J-boy that's making you run mad. Eh? Let me tell you, Rose. Whatever you want to do, you go ahead. I'm going to announce it to the entire village because I'm a witness to all your bullshit in this marriage. And I'm going to announce it to the world.
Lele.
But
does it look like I care?
You don't care, but let me tell you something. Let me give you something you have to take with you.
Give her.
Whatever is it you think you feel for that idiot, call it love, call it whatever. There's a doom coming your way. Yes.
There's a doom coming your own way. Nonsense! Do I care? I don't care. To hell with all of you! I don't care! I don't care!
I didn't see him. I couldn't find him.
You think he lives around here?
Yeah, he lives down the road. I can't be calm. Listen, the next time I find that guy, surely you are going to kill him. I'm going to kill him.
Amadi, just calm down, okay? You don't have to kill anyone. If you must do something, you can as well just involve the police.
What am I going to do? What do you want me to do? What can I do? You need to talk to your friend. I am losing my mind. What am I going to do? Eh?
Amadi, I just need you to calm down now, okay? Just calm down.
I'm losing my mind. Talk to your friend.
Take it easy on yourself. Goodness. You've given this your best shot, okay? Whatever she wants to do, just let her go ahead and do it. If she wants a divorce, give it to her and just rest. For crying out loud, you can't continue like this.
How else do I need to love Rose? What have I done for her? Huh? Have I done wrong to love your friend with every shred of emotion in me? Have I done wrong? I can't even work and concentrate at the office. I'm constantly thinking of her, thinking, oh, she just might be on somebody's bed right now. For how long would I have to live like this? Eh?
Do you know what, Amadi? I don't know what else to say to you, okay? But at this point, you really need to calm down, put yourself together, okay? Even if you lose your marriage, you don't have to lose your job as well. You've been through a lot. You went through a lot to get this job. You can't just let it go like that. Okay, just come inside and...
I can't take this no more.
Leave me now.
Come here.
Leave me.
Come here. I will not leave you today. You are not going anywhere. So you married me so that I can suffer and look like a dirty pig, Abi? Hey, you see that money? You must give me today.
But I told you I don't have money. Eh? Let me go to the site and work and get money so that I can give you. Or you wait, my sister will soon send me money. I will give to you.
You are talking rubbish. Obviously, you are speaking rubbish. You see that money? I will not leave you today. We will die here.
If I go to the site and finish work, if they give me money, next you go to and buy clothes.
So I have to wait for 4 more days before I can get clothes. As a new wife. I will not wait. I will never do that. We'll rather die here.
Come on, Mama. Mama, please come. Come.
What is going on here?
Mama, please. It's good that you are here. It's good that you are here. She asked me for money. I told her I don't have money. Eh? Let me go to the site and work. When I make money, I'll give her. She refused that I will leave.
If you like, explain to Jesus Christ, Angel Gabriel, Angel Michael. You see me? I will not leave you today. I don't care who you explain to.
Really?
Mama, please do something.
So you don't care whether he explains to Jesus,
Bam.
nor to God, to the angels?
Oh.
No problem. You're a very good wife. See why I like you? You know what you want. I will help you. Ngwa.
Mama.
Hold it tightly. Fight! Hold it tightly!
Is this what you're telling me?
Whoever kills the other first. Who dies first? I'll come and pay. And the one that is alive, I'll come and Piam!
Mama, is this what you're telling me? You want to have to kill your only son? Mama, this is not fair.
Hey!
This is not
Hey! Die here today!
Okay, you want to...
We will die!
Wait, let me think. Wait. Wait, Wait. I'm going to work on. I'll carry you to work on. I'll carry you to work on. I'll carry you.
Come on, Emma. I'm so sorry I'm late. I'm really, really sorry. I had this pressing issue to sort out with my wife this morning. I'm sorry, ma. I was told that you would like to speak with me.
Mr. Madden.
Yes, ma'am.
Look at the time you're coming to work.
I'm terribly sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Well, it doesn't matter. You can have this.
What is this for, ma'am?
It's your letter. And you have the right to open it. But please, do that very fast.
You can't fire me. What have I done? Ma, please, no. Please, whatever it is that I have done, please forgive me, please, I beg you. If I have not performed, I promise to improve. I'm sorry, ma. Please, ma, please.
It is too late, Amadi. Please, drop the car key on your way out.
No, please.
And you have from now till tomorrow morning to evacuate the house. Because someone else will be starting work tomorrow. He needs to pack in, settle down, and get ready for the said training.
No, please. I might have offended you. Please, whatever it is, I believe we can still amend this. We can sort it out. Please, I need this job. You can't fire me. This is when I need this job the most. Please, ma. Yes, ma.
Please, get out of my office. And I mean right now.
Madam, please.
Get out!
Mama.
Hey, Alice.
What is the problem?
How are you?
Where are you going to?
Thank God I met you. Do you have Rose's number?
Rose?
Yes.
Rose?
Urenwa's daughter, your friend now?
Okay, I have a number now. I have
Good.
it.
Please, help me and call her. Help me and warn her. Let her leave my son alone. She wants to put my son into trouble. She's a married woman. Let her face her marriage. Did you hear me? Please help me and talk to her. I think it's your best friend and I believe you can talk to her.
Mama, I don't understand. Everybody knows that Rose is married now and she's even in the city with her husband.
I heard that both of them met in the city. Hmm? Yes, that I heard. And right now she's hurting the husband. So I've done everything possible, made some calls to call my son. He's not picking my call. So if in any way you know how to talk to her, because I believe he's your friend, you can help me and talk to her. Because
Rose is wicked though. So you mean after everything, she met Jeku in the city? Ah! It is not fair. This girl is wicked. She's wicked.
Please, I have just told in my mind. Help me and talk to her. If there is any way you can just call her for me and talk to her.
I will call her. Hey! This Rose, this girl is wicked. Very wicked girl. Let me go and call her.
J-boy, I'm so sorry for what Amadi did to you. Please.
It's okay, baby. I'm sorry for all I've made you go through. Rose, let's run. Let's leave this country. I mean, I have the money to finance it.
It's too hot, Amadi. I can't just live like that. All through the night, my mother was calling me. I didn't pick her calls because I guessed why she was calling.
Same here. I don't even know if they are aware.
I don't think so. You see, my brother is calling. Let me take the call. It's okay. Hello, Queen. I can hear you.
What? What happened? Accident?
Who had an accident?
What? No. Oh my god.
What is it?
Oh my god.
What is it?
Listen,
What is it?
it's like my mother.
Your mom.
It's my mother is dead.
Oh, okay. Calm down. We will go to the village now. Just
No. That's why my mother is dead.
Calm down. We are going to the village now.
Mama.
Hi.
Mama. We
Mom.
got her. Because she's even crying. As I'm talking to you, she's crying.
Let her come home and I will show her that I am her mother. I cannot live for her to put me in this shame. Never.
Wow.
Mama,
I will fight J-boy. I will fight J-boy. I know he's my senior, but I will fight him.
my son, you will not fight J-boy alone. We will fight him together. Because I cannot live to see this shame.
Wow.
What do we do? I've been calling my son since yesterday. He has not been picking my call. I said, let me come and see you. What do we do? Keep calling him. My son has been doing the same. My daughter is not picking his call. Hey. So we have to lie to her. Lie to her? Yes. We told her that I'm dead. Dead? Hey, I wish you will come back together with him. I wish you will come back together with him. I will tear him into pieces. Because I don't know why this boy is behaving like that. I don't know what he wants me to do. I am even tired. You know Amagu people? Yes. They will kill your son. If this happens, they will. How? Their oracle is very, very active. Yes. They will send their oracle after your son. How? Or my daughter. So you have to tell your son that fate has not meant for two of them to be together. Exactly. Cha-cha. Exactly. I've talked. I'm even tired. There are so many women out there. Hey, let him go and pick one. Let me go. By tomorrow I will see you. Oh? Keep trying, oh. You better call him, oh. Keep calling him. Hey, call him.
What has this boy done? What has he done to himself? What has he done to deserve this? So, after all the efforts I put into him getting this job, this is how it's all going to end. Oh my God.
What is it with this woman? Eh? What does she really want from men that comes here?
Jane, do you blame her? Is it her fault? It's not. I blame Rose for all of this. If not for her misbehavior, why would Amadi decline going to Canada for a training?
What stupid love is that? Eh? What kind of love is that? Eh? But I feel for Amadi. I pity that guy. Eh? A very nice guy. Eh? But if not that he turned down Madam's offer, she wouldn't have sacked him.
As it is, I'm just very weak and confused. I don't even know what to do. I don't know what to say. I'm just tired of all of this. After all my efforts, now sink back to square one. Oh God. Oh God. This is so frustrating.
Baby, this is not good, man. You're in the public. Eh? Allow me to go to work. The more you hold me here, the more we are wasting time. Go back to the house. When I come back, I'll give you money.
Never. I will not leave you. I will go with you there. And when the foreman comes, you will tell him to give me your own money so that I will go to the market and buy anything I want to buy.
But do you think it will work?
What's it be my problem?
The foreman will not agree to give me that money. He will not agree. Allow me to go. People will see us. This is not good. Why are you doing this to me? Eh? Why are you doing this to me? This is not good. Allow me to go now.
Come here.
You take my belt, oh.
What's going on here? Omalicha, why are you holding your husband like this?
I wonder.
Tell Obiozo to give me money to go to the market to buy things. Yes, I will embarrass him here. The whole village will gather for both of us.
Obi, please talk to her. Talk to her to leave my clothes. Eh? She asked me for money. I told her I don't have money. But I'm going to decide to work so that I will earn money and give her. She said she will follow me to the side and tell the foreman to pay me for the work that I haven't done. So that I will give her for her to go to Nkwo and buy clothes.
But Obioza, do you know you're messing up? Huh? You're messing up big time. When you're Jiro gonna know one. Eh? You don't have money and you went ahead to marry a woman.
Hey. Obi, you are too wise. God bless you. Amen. Tell him, tell this foolish man.
Obi, why are you saying this thing now? I will give you money. I don't have now. Eh? If you do this, I will die, yo. I will die, yo.
You better die. It is better for you to die. Obiozo, just die. Because I will not leave you today until you give me that money.
Omalicha, calm down, eh? He will not die. Nobody's dying. But see, this thing you're doing is not nice. Your wife here is your responsibility. How will you tell me you want to come and marry your wife? You don't even have any money to take care of her. Things are not done that way now. Please, Omalicha, please, just leave him, okay? People might see you, people. Biko, just calm down. Biko, please. Please, for my sake. Oh, please.
She saved you. She just saved you. But you know what? Come back home today without money. Then you will know the kind of woman you are married to. Come back without money, but okay. For now you are safe.
It's okay.
Just go there and work. Bring money.
Let's go. Just leave it. Let her because I know you're still angry. Just calm down. So I'm here. Poor mom.
Which kind of marriage is this? Eh? Which kind of marriage is this? Why did I marry this girl? Eh? I will die before my time. I'm too young to die. Eh? What is all this? Oh, let me go and look.
What are we going to call this one? Eh? Okay.
You better talk to your friend. She's your friend.
Hey.
Talk to her. You better warn her.
Rose.
Warn her.
Rose. So shameless. Eh? See them all. Rose does not have shame. Married woman.
Just stop. You've killed Mama. You've killed Mama now. Your plans have worked, Abi. Your plans have worked.
What is all this?
And who is this one? Who is this one? What is he doing here? Eh? Wow, Papa. What are you doing here? You better leave this place. You better leave this place before I break your head.
Have respect.
I will break your head. If you don't leave this place this minute, I break your head.
Rose, what is happening? Biagodo, what am I hearing? What kind of question is that? Are you mad? Eh?
Guys, this is not why we are here, okay?
Why are you here? Why are you here? Why are you here?
Where is my mother?
Why are you here? Oh, after abandoning my sister, you came. You're telling. Look at you, Utuacha. Wow, Papa. You're telling me this is not the reason why you're here.
Foolish man.
I will break your head if you don't leave here.
You're following
I need to see my mother.
You feel like Maggie. You don't have.
Look at you. Ina zo you.
Rose, this is bad. Rose, this is bad. You're a married woman. This is bad. Eh? Call your sister.
Oh my God. Doctor, what happened to him?
Madam, calm down. He was hit by a moving vehicle, so they brought him here. The man who knocked him down also came here. He has deposited some money, but we need his family member to be here before we can take the proper treatment.
Doctor, I'm here. Okay, I'm family. He's my brother.
Calm down. It seems he was lost in thought as he was moving on the road. According to the driver, we will do something to save his life. All we need now is someone to sign some documents.
What are we still waiting for?
Calm down. Trust me, it's going to be fine, okay? Calm down.
Can we just sign it already, doctor, please?
Then follow me to my office.
Hey. Doctor!
What kind of a man are you? What kind of stupid love are you doing with Rose? That you don't even want to regard the fact that she's not married. Do you know what you want to do to yourself? You want to die? You want to kill yourself? I am asking you because of a woman?
I never forced her to come around.
Can you imagine?
I mean, we love each other.
Shut your mouth.
We only lost contact.
Brother, this explanation is not helping matters. You've already lost Rose to another man. Forget about her. We keep going back and forth over the same thing. Forget about Rose now. Eh?
Jeku, how many times have I called you? I will die! I will kill myself for you.
God forbid.
I will kill myself for you rather than to be alive and see you commit this kind of evil. Good people, you see them? They will kill you. They will finish you if you know how to run. Begin to run now. And I'm even now, run. If you cannot run, fly. If you cannot fly, know how to do the birth movement. And I'm even now, else you will not last to the end of this month.
Says who? For what?
For taking another man's wife, brother. Rose is married. Oh no good. What am I gonna do now?
Here. If you know the kind of insult the mother came here to give us, you will not even talk anything. If you know how to run. Amago people have a very big oracle that any woman that cheats will die with the man that she cheats with. If you know what to do, run.
Mama,
Don't go close to her.
This is serious, but I have not touched her.
Thank God, though. Because you got us worried now. We're thinking that somehow, if I gotta go somehow, brother, you just have to forget about Rose. Now you've made money. There is no woman you want you cannot get. Go back to the city, find somebody else and get married too.
Become one. You are my husband and my only son. I can't afford to lose you. Because, yeah. Are you hearing me? As we are going now, look at the sky. Take a sand on the ground to declare your innocence. That you have never led with Rose. Because God himself will not be happy with you. Please, because young one. Oh?
Mama Makachuku, I'm not come about this, you know. Just getting to hear this now.
Now you
it's scary.
It is. It is.
I don't want to lose you, brother. I don't want to lose you.
You've heard, please, because of hope.
Is this the reason you told me you were dead? What kind of expensive joke is this?
It's because you don't know what you are doing. Rose, when you die, I die. Once you are dead, I can't stand it. Please, you are my daughter.
Mama, I am not going to die.
Huh?
I am very certain Amadi is the reason for all this chaos. He is the one causing all these problems. Why would he slap me in the first place? Why?
Sister, just look at what you're saying. Look at what you're saying. If I am in his shoes, I will beat you black and blue. Unquaggy nonsense. Tell me, what is it that Amadi is not doing for you that will make you to follow another man? Tell me. Eh? He saved you when you wanted to commit suicide. When J-Boy left you. And you're here.
I don't blame you. No, it's not your fault. Mama, did I not tell you that I don't feel anything strong for him? The day they came to pay for my bride price, did I not say it that I don't feel anything strong for him? I simply got married to him to try to forget about J-Boy. But I couldn't. I couldn't, Mama.
You are the biggest fool I have ever seen on earth. Rose, see your grave, I swear.
Mama, are you wishing me death? You've been talking about death. You want me to die? Your own daughter.
Don't you know the community where you got married? Once you cheat on your husband, you will die.
Who is talking about cheating?
You don't know about that.
Who is talking about cheating? I have not cheated.
You that your body used to sweet you like... Are you saying the truth?
Mama, I have not cheated.
You?
J-Boy has not even touched me. I am going to divorce Amadi, then be with J-Boy. I am not that heartless, Mama. I wouldn't do such.
You better run for your life, sister. Run for your life. And let me tell you, I will have issues with you if you don't leave him alone. Because I am the man of this house, and if anything happens, I will not allow you to enter this house. Bam. Mark my words. Okay. Mama, talk to your daughter.
Look who is talking.
You better talk to your daughter. In a love.
I support you.
You love.
No, look who is talking.
I support him.
One bashi. One sarahu shike. I don't blame you. No respect again. I don't blame you at all.
How would he respect you? Did you respect yourself? If you respect yourself, he will respect you. As long as you will not respect yourself at all, there is no respect for you because you didn't deserve it.
I don't know what you people are saying. I don't know. I don't know what people are talking about. I know that I made up my mind. Yes.
You will not enter this house. Bam! Register Goya. Nonsense.
Alice, my friend. Thank God I met you here. What am I hearing?
Who is your friend? I am asking you, who is your friend? See, if you came to my shop this early morning to gossip, be going. Go to those people you heard the story from. Go back and ask them for clarification. It's not me. Rubbish.
Alice, what is wrong with you? What is it?
You're asking me what it is. You're asking me. You don't know. You want to come to my shop now and stand with me and gossip, Abi? Then after you go back to them and act like a good girl. Okoya? May thunder fire you.
Let that thunder fire you. Let that thunder fire you and family first. Are you mad? What is wrong with you? Why would you insult me?
My family?
Yes, you heard me right. Let that thunder fire you and your family and everyone in it. In fact, let that thunder fire your generation. What is wrong with you? Why would you attack me simply because I came here to ask you something? Are you mad? What did I do to you? Am I the one that asked you to insult Jay the last time? What did he even do to you? If Jay left Rose, did he leave you? Rose is married. Are you married? I'm asking you. Why can't you coordinate yourself? You are here fighting for Rose. The person you are fighting for, they are now together, as I heard, and you are insulting me.
See, Ogo, I don't have your strength. I just opened my shop this morning. Don't come and bring me bad luck. Be going now. Be going. I'm not interested. If you see me, avoid me. Stay your lane. Let me stay my own. Inugo, stay on your own. I don't want. Achorazim, Gaba.
Imagine this fool. Can you imagine this big fool? Because I come to your shop. In fact, you are the biggest idiot I've seen in this world. Shame on you, idiot. Go.
Be going.
Is this shop? How can somebody be carrying another person's matter? You are
Be going.
Be going because I'm here.
Do you have shop?
Am I even supposed to be?
Do you have shop?
Is this one shop?
But you come and borrow money from me. Be going.
Get inside. Because I came to your shop, I will stay here and not do anything.
Go.
If I want, I will stay here and not do anything. You cannot. Is it because you are big? I will beat you in your house. I will beat you in your house. Get out!
Hey! You're telling me, it's my own shop.
Get in! Idiot! Fool! Animal.
That's how you supposed to be friends with. Nah, Gayale. Looking for story.
Idiot!
Come on, get out!
Get out! You get out! Fool! Close your shop. Get out!
You not close it. Bad luck. You are bad luck. Aleka. Come on, get out!
Who gave her the permission to leave the office without my consent? Who?
Madam, you were not around. And she has to be there because it was urgent.
Who cares? She will have me to answer to when she returns. What nonsense!
Ma'am, it's Amadi we are talking about here. What if he dies?
He can die for all I care. Maybe I should remind you that Amadi has been laid off. He is no longer a staff of this company. If Orgazin wants to join him, then let her come back and pick her sack later. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell her to see me as soon as she returns.
Okay, ma'am.
Nonsense. You can go back to your duties.
Thank you, ma'am.
What nonsense? Because he was knocked down by a vehicle? So what? He can die for all I care. Since he feels he's reserved, he feels he's handsome, let him go home and eat his handsomeness with his wife. Nonsense.
J-boy, please. Please don't say this. We can work it out. Please.
Come on. Come on. I'm sorry. I can't continue this, man. Yeah, I know we love each other, but we don't have to be stupid.
No.
All I need you to do now, go back to your husband, apologize to him. I myself, I will come to apologize to him. That's what's up.
No. This is not what we agreed on. This is not what we planned. Look, my mother is still very much alive. She's not dead. They lied to us. Please, I still love you
so what about the Oracle stuff? What are we going to do about it?
I've not done anything. I'm going to divorce my husband and then I'll come to you. Please don't do this to me. I beg you, don't do this to me. Please. Please.
Damn. Rose. Are you pregnant?
No, I'm not.
Ifugoya, I told you.
No.
We are no longer meant for each other again. All we need to do now is forget about this shit, go back to your husband and let's move on.
No. It could be malaria, typhoid, headache, something. I'm not pregnant. I can't be pregnant. Please don't do this. I beg you. Please.
Babe, please. You see, I can't continue. I've suffered a lot. You know? I've made money. So I need to be alive to eat my money.
You're going to be alive?
Oh no, not like this. Just go and apologize to your husband. I myself will also come to apologize him, and don't come to my house again because I will react very badly. Please, don't.
J-boy, please. J-boy.
I will
J-boy, please don't do this to me. J-boy, please. J-boy, please, I'm begging you.
I am regretting.
What have I done to myself?
I'm ashamed of my past. If I never know
I was telling you this. What did you do? You had the mind to send me out of your house. You see now, your sister was saying the same thing. The thing is, you should know it. You don't marry without money. Someday, your wife will definitely react. Look at it now.
See, but I love her. I love her. Is it bad for a man to love a woman nowadays?
Love without money, is that one love? Me, I have tried it and it failed me. So I will not try it again. Go. See, you have to go home now. Since there is no work today.
How am I going to face her at home? How am I going to face her? Umacha is giving me blood pressure. She's giving me heart attack. When she's dragging me like this, you would think that it's 10 men that are dragging me. Small girl like that. She's giving me heart. I don't know how to face her. I can't even go home. Obinna, Biko. When you borrow me some money, I will pay you back. Let me give her
money. I don't have money. I don't have any to give to you now.
But you have been working for 2 weeks now. I've been working at the site. Every day you need to block.
Yes. The foreman is still with my money. I told him to keep it for me until I need it. See, Onyedika has found a shop for me in the city. So I am saving small. Let me travel to the city. It's okay. Just try, Try. Endure it. Marriage is for better, for worse. So, and I cannot come in between the both of you, So just endure. Let me be going home. Oh, manage. She's your wife. You know how to handle her. I don't have fear.
You don't? So you want that? There's no money. Yourself. So I should be dying.
Don't take it like that. Just manage it. Talk to her. She's your wife. You control her. She's your wife. Make her the way you want her. I'm not coming between two of you.
How am I going to face her?
I am regretting everything.
Why did I marry this girl? Why did I marry this girl?
Oh my God. Why would Amadi suffer this?
My sister, as you can see, just take a look.
Honestly, I thank God he's alive. Could you believe when I told Madame about this? She didn't even care. She was so angry at you.
Angry at me? Like seriously, Jenny, right now, the last thing I care about is Madame and what she thinks. What was she expecting me to do? Stay back after getting a call like this for emergency? I didn't even know that it was this serious until I got here. What was she expecting me to do?
That woman is so wicked. She is so evil. So because Amadi turned her down on her advances, she didn't waste time to fire him when he declined the training thing.
I don't care, Jane. All that matters to me right now is Amadi and his state of health. As for Madame and her job, she can keep it. She's not God. Amadi will always get another job. It's only a matter of time. Let her keep her job.
I feel sorry for him. What about his wife?
Well, I have called her severally. She's not picking up my calls. She probably thinks I want to talk to her about the issues she has with Amadi. Well, I don't know what else to do. I've called his mom. Tomorrow I'll be on my way to the village to bring her so that at least I can go back to work.
I feel sorry for Amadi.
I don't know what I would have done. This was more serious than this.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Have a seat.
This is not what you called me this morning. Will I say the thing hold you back?
You shouldn't be all about that all the time. I want us to talk.
Talk? About what? Bros, I hope say na business you call me this morning because I know if you just leave my house, call me, you can't talk anyhow. You go give me my money. I know if you talk, I don't want to talk.
Golly, calm down. Money is not the problem. Okay, look, I want you to be my friend. Yeah, but then I want you to stop this walk. Stop wearing things like this. Yeah, money is not the problem. I will give you money if you want, even more than you expect.
You are to see this your eye, bros. Everything no normal. Just be like say things they move up and down. Calm down, oh. I no come here, can't look your face. I need the joke, oh. Money for hand, back for ground. I need the play.
I understand the rules of business, okay? Can you cook? I need some food in this house. Homemade food.
Bros, I don't understand you. You sure say everything do okay like that. But anyhow, Sha, I can cook well.
That's all I want to know. And don't bother yourself. I am going to take care of things from now. Anything you want. So all I need is stop wearing things like this and don't engage yourself in this job anymore. This is not the kind of business a pretty lady like you should do. I have some things in the kitchen. Can you prepare something now, please? Oh, thank you. Okay, let me quickly show you this.
I'm not going to leave you today. You think you have sense? Last night you brainwashed my brain to allow you sleep, and now you want to leave this house. Come and go now. Obviously, leave. Come and go.
Stop this thing now. Stop this thing. You're pregnant too. You're pregnant too. Allow me to go to work. Eh? Mama, say something.
Me, Mama. She said you brainwashed her. Mama, manager, leave him to go to work. I am getting angry at this thing you're doing. Eh? What is even wrong with you? I see the guy to come and destroy his life.
Mama, don't even talk to me. Don't even try it. Did your son not know that before he will carry his two legs to go and marry a girl, that he's supposed to have money to take care of her, provide everything that she needs? Did you not tell him?
I'm liking this. The proverb says that in shik or crap, we know and see what the market price for it is. 5 kobo, it will look up. 10 kobo, it will look down. Have you heard her? Have you heard her with your 2 ears? I warned you. Omalicha is fine. Omalicha with this. You're eating biscuits. You're eating crackers. Give her money.
Mama, you're laughing at me. Is this what you can say to your son?
Enjoy marriage. You put her.
Mama, this is what you can say to your son.
She's tired.
Leave me.
Cover her.
Leave what?
Leave me.
Leave what? Except you're going to
look at your face.
Leave
Except you will disappear from here. You're not going anywhere.
Leave me, oh. Leave me,
oh.
Get them out. Get everything out.
Madam, should have given him more time now. He's still in the hospital.
Does it look like I care? He can
in the hospital. I came here personally to make sure I throw their things out. I don't have time. Go in there and get all their luggage.
What's going on here? Where's my box outside?
Who is she?
Madam, she's Amadi's wife. Yeah. Who's by name?
Mother. See me in the office.
Ross, what is going on? Where's my husband?
She's the manager. Your husband has been sacked. Yes, simply because your husband refused to go for training in Canada. Yes, and I heard he was knocked down by a car. Yes. I also heard that you contributed to his...
Hold on, please. Where is he? Which hospital? Where is he?
I don't know. I believe Ogazi is in the right position to answer that question. Yes. Why now? Why should you be part of his problems? Why?
Please. I'm so sure you know the hospital. Please, where is the hospital? Come and take me there, please.
I don't know.
Please, you should know. I'm sure you know. I'm sure you know, please. Please. Oh, please, I beg you.
Mama, tell her to leave me now.
Hey, what's going on here? No. Yes, my. I don't know you for me. How are you, my darling? I'm fine, my mom. You're welcome. Oh, mom. Obi, what is happening here?
See me. Mama asked me for money. I told her I don't have. Let me go to work and get money. She said I will not go. But I'm happy you are here. Thank God. Please, you give me money to give to her.
Oh, interesting.
Bank. She's bank.
My beautiful mommy.
No, mom.
Please, I need to see you inside because I have to return back to the city immediately.
As if I care if what anyone can say. See you. I am not going to leave you today.
Oh, Malecha. Leave Obioso, your husband, alone. Let him go to work. Is it not when he goes to work the money will come? Since you have become Judas Iscariot.
Mama.
Money monger. Since you came into this house, it is money. Let him go.
Mama.
What is this?
Wait, so why are you wasting your time? Why are you wasting your saliva on this? Didn't you warn your son about this? Did you not?
Mama, I tried. I warned.
Mama, don't even talk to me. Don't try it. And as for you, you are not going anywhere today.
It is the trend.
No, I am not understanding.
No. Ogazi, I have become... Ndidamaka has become football. She kicks to Obioso, twa! Obioso kicks to her, twa! That is our trend here.
Oh, Malicha.
That is what I see every day.
Whose mother did you just speak to in that tone?
And what are you going to do? Tell me! What will you do?
Serious?
You talking about it like that?
What is it?
Wait. Hey! Are you mad?
What did you slap my wife?
Hey! Hold it! Otherwise you start getting slapped yourself. What is wrong with you? Ogazi, you slap me! And I will slap you! Hey! Stop block me. Let me finish this girl. Stop it, mad. Beat her! What is wrong with you? You're very foolish. Beat her! You're stupid. Beat who? Beat who? Bang her! Beat her very well.
If you touch her, I will hit you.
Why everything my wife touch her? Someone to give her money, not to beat her.
I will finish you. I will finish you.
Mama.
I said blow her eyes.
Wow. It's so bad. I mean, it's not good, man.
That's why I've come for you to help me. Please, let's go and see him. I've been trying to call Ogazi, but she's not taking my calls.
Sorry. You have to go. You know, I can't go there. I'm not in this condition. Yeah. Okay, go. I'll give you some money. I'll give you some money to take care of things.
Please, just go.
Oh, baby.
Jay,
Yeah, what's up?
am I okay this way?
Come on. Yeah, boo. Don't worry. On our way to the market, we'll branch into a boutique and get some nice clothes for you.
Okay, babe.
Meanwhile, go to the room by the wardrobe. Get me some good cash in the drawer, okay?
Okay.
Quickly. Let me have this.
No, I'll go with it.
Okay. So, we'll make some money available, yeah?
You've moved on? So fast?
But I told you.
So you came back into my life to ruin it the more? Look at what you made me do to Amadi.
I don't understand what you mean by what I made you do to Amadi.
J-Boy,
I know.
I will never forgive you. Oh my God, I'm such a fool. I'm such a fool.
Look at this babe, like I'm gonna sit in my house and not pure mama. What's going on? Baby! You got the money?
What is even your problem, Rose? Ain't you tired of causing problem in your marriage? This Jacob will kill you one day. As a friend, I've done all I can to talk to you, put you in check. But you're so stupid and big-headed.
Every time I scold you, you threaten to leave me. That's what you do. Is it because you know that I love you? Is that why you're hurting me like this? Huh?
We are no longer meant for each other again. What we need to do now is forget about this shit, go back to your husband and let's move on.
No. Your husband has been sacked. Yes. Simply because your husband refused to go for training in Canada. Yes. And I heard he was knocked down by a car.
What have I done to myself? What have I done
Mom, please don't do this to me. I beg of you. I mean, I have been diligent with my work in this office. I've been really dedicated. Please.
Augusta, you have your sack letter with you. So please, do me well and get out of my office. Next time, you learn how to mind your business and not another person's problem. Get out of my office.
Please. I just need you to think about this. Please.
I am not here to banter words with you. As you can see, I'm on my way going out. So, excuse me.
Mom, just...
I said leave!
What for? What do you want to tell him that he doesn't know about me? Eh, boy? Why are you being so wicked because I did not give you equal share of the money? Why?
What?
Yes. He told me to charge you much that you were going to pay so I could give him his cut. I told him that I was just trying to save up my money to start up business so I could stop runs. Do you know what he did? He got upset that I did not pay him 20,000 out of it. What? Boy.
What is it? Why are you being so wicked? What have I done to you? What?
But is that true? I mean, I've been doing a lot for you. Is there anything you've asked and I didn't do it for you? How could you ask a girl to charge me more so you can get a change? Ah, my goodness. This is unbelievable. How can you come around and tell me that these girls are wayward girls, they're not well trained at home and all that, and yet you can't even do them a favor without asking for a repay? Come on. Okay, why are you here? What do you want to tell me? To leave her so she could go back to the streets? A beautiful girl who is capable of giving birth to beautiful children and building a home? Is that what you want? No, now that would be wickedness. What do you want, Ma? You have to stop it. People should have conscience in this country, especially when it has to do with humans.
My Chama, I'm sorry. She was the person that made me to be angry. Yes, she caused the whole thing by not bringing her 1/10 into the storehouse. Yes, but I'm sorry. Thank God you still confirm her despite all the but you still confirmed her. And it's not been long she started her runs. Yes, and I don't even know you have the mind to take her along. I mean, to take her as a wife. Thank you for making that decision. I didn't know.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Majama.
It's okay. It's okay. He's our friend. You have to forgive him. Okay? Okay, you can go and prepare the fish pepper soup now so we can eat and have some drinks, okay?
Okay.
Go, baby.
I'm sorry. Yeah? Hi.
I like her so much.
Nem, I am really so sorry. Because of us, you lost your job.
Mama, it's okay. Okay, it's not your fault. You know, the woman has always been like this. Just because Amadi refused to date her, she had him sacked. But it's okay. Don't worry. I'll be fine.
Oh, guys, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry you lost your job on my account, please.
Oh, come on. Don't say that. It will only take me a couple of months to get another job. But right now, I'm more concerned about you, your health. Okay, you need to be okay. I need to be sure that you can walk again. Just don't worry about me at all, okay?
Nedango, I don't know how to thank you. You're such a very nice person. God will reward you. You know, go.
Amadi, I'm sorry. Sorry for what happened to you.
Don't touch me. What is she doing here?
Because tell this person to leave this place. Now. Disappear. You say you're going to stay back now you're there. Don't touch him again.
Mama, you know what? Just don't worry. I actually asked her to come here so that she can see for herself what she got Amadi into. Rose, I hope this satisfies you. Thanks to you, Amadi has lost his job. I also lost mine. I hope you and your J-boy have a peaceful life together.
No. We didn't have any affair. It was only a mistake.
It was a mistake. You hurting me was a mistake. Everything you did to me was a mistake. I don't want to see you again. Ever. Mama, tell this woman to leave this place.
Biko, stop being this sorry. Also you leave. And leave. I've warned you. Stop touching him. I'm the good mother. Come, get your mother. I'm going to what man? I will commit suicide here. Hey! Come on, touch me now. If you think I'm stubborn, come close to me, let me cut your neck. Are you crazy? What is wrong with you?
Okay, you want to kill me? You want to kill a pregnant woman? You will kill me today.
Come close to me. Come close and let me cut off your neck. Nonsense. Are you mad? Eh? Is it because I love you? You are tormenting my life. Is that why you are doing nonsense to me? Because I respect the word of God and say men should love their wives. You are not tormenting my life. Try come close to me and let me cut off your neck. They will say that Obiozo is a bad person. And let me tell you, if you try again to insult my mother in this house, I'll cut off your neck. And go inside and pack your things. I'm no longer interested in your money. Go to your father's house.
Hey! You are joking. You see this marriage? We die here. We die here. I am not moving.
You are not moving. Come close to me. Come close to me. Hey, one hand will go. Hey, another hand will go. So come close to me now.
Hey!
What is it? And if you try to disrespect my mother in this house again, anytime again, I will show you that I am Obiozo. What is it? Mama, I'm going to work. If you insult my mother, I will cut off you. Nonsense.
You want to kill a pregnant woman? Hey! Okay. No wahala. You will go and you will come back here. Hey! Hey! Okay. Ooh. Hey.
Take it easy. A woman shouldn't be heard in her husband's house. She can only be seen so that peace and tranquility will reign in her marriage. Calm down, though. Mom, calm down. As a woman, calm down. If anything happens in this marriage now, you'll be blamed. And you will regret it for the rest of your life. Take it easy. He's a man, oh. Take it easy on him. It is a man's world. If you take it easy, you will enjoy this marriage. Live happily ever after. But if anything happens, hey, you will regret it every day, one by one of your life. A stitch in time saves 9. The way you're going, money. The can as well go and work and get the money. God.
Mama, there's no way she's entering this house, oh. There is no way I'm letting her enter this house. There is no way, oh. Come and enter now. I will show you that I am the man of this house. Come and enter. I will just cut you to pieces. I will cut you to pieces.
Calm down. Only sister, don't forget, oh. This is her father's house. Yes. Allow her to come and stay here and suffer.
No way, Mama. Mama, no way. You are telling me to calm down. After she brought the shame upon this family. You are telling me to calm down. Mama, it's a lie, oh. I will not calm down.
Hey, Rosaline, don't you ever call my name. You brought this upon yourself. You will suffer. Whatever you see from now on, take it. Okudili,
Mama,
allow her to go in. But as for me, you don't exist in this house. Bet me, this is the time you're supposed to go and stay with your heart, your kidney, and then your liver, and then you run back to me, calling me mama. When I was begging you, crying for you, did you listen to me?
Because there is no heart anywhere.
Eh?
I don't have any heart there.
No heart where?
Oh, see.
My love.
You better go back, oh. You better go back.
Mama, please.
Leave me.
Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? I will cut you into pieces now. Oh, okay. Mama.
Go inside.
Okay. It's you and I in this house. Love, in a love.
I am regretting everything. I'm ashamed of my past. If I know I've not done, if I know
Mama, I don't know the price of this thing you're opening. You will not understand. But I want to use it. I want to use it to make up for all the time I have been very stubborn and I have been misbehaving. It's only those that know the price will tell you.
What is this? Hey! All this.
Just for me to say sorry for all the nonsense you have been doing. Mama, you see this contract I got? By the time I'm done with it, your son will have a car in this village. I'll be in the village and make it. It's not about going to the city.
Do you know there is nothing like peace? There is nothing good in war. Eh?
Mama. So that is it, Mama. Don't worry. There is more on the way for you.
Thank you, my son.
What is it? What is it? Can't you allow us to talk?
You both should forgive me. I know that I have been so stubborn. But please, I don't want us to keep living on like this. Fight. I am tired. Mama, look at my condition. Since morning, I have not eaten anything. My mouth has not tasted even water. Mama, be cool. I'm sorry.
So your voice can come down like this. See what I told you? When both of you were throwing punches here and there, see what I told you? I told you a man and a woman cannot drag position. A woman can make her husband do everything she wants by being obedient to her husband. If you fight with a man, you must surely lose. Eh? Thank your God that he has not gotten himself another girl. Because by now, you would have been on the street looking for a fresh husband.
Mama will.
Pregnancy.
Mama will get to. Call will soon come. I will get to.
Mama, please. Mama, please help me to beg him. I'm sorry. Just see me as your stubborn daughter who has come back to her senses. Mama, I have changed. Biozo, I am carrying your child. Mama, just see me as your stubborn daughter who has come back to her senses. I'm a changed person, no.
Obiozo. It's okay. Obiozo. It's okay. It's alright. I see you look for a katia woman. We look like an also doctor there. Thank God she has come to her senses. See, she has changed. Oh, Malicha, it does not take anything to be nice. It does not cost anything to be nice. Be a good woman to your husband and he will show you true and genuine love. The truth is that men can actually love their wives, but don't make them look stupid when they do, because they are not. They're only being human with beautiful hearts. It's alright.
I have changed.
I'm happy you have changed.
I have, Mama.
And let it be permanent.
Obiozo, I'm sorry. If Sister Ogazi comes back, I will go to her and apologize. Just leave in peace, please.
Mommy, I have changed.
Because I go back now. I'm having money now, so I don't care.
It's okay. You accept her back. Remember, it's your Malicha.
Obviously, it's your child I'm carrying.
For the sake of the unborn child, please forgive her. Thank you, my son. We cannot let this our son, our child go. Go be the one that will answer Obiozo Jr. Be go. Go to your husband.
Hey, Mama, you push me.
He will not.
Push me.
He will not push you. Go. It's okay.
It's because of God, though.
I know. Just changed.
My mother now maltreats me. Oh God, I know I made a big mistake, but I didn't know what I was doing. I know I've done everything wrong. Oh please, just help me. I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know what I was doing. I don't know what came over me. Me.
Rose, what would you have me do? I am helpless now. I'm helpless. See, Rose, I believe that your mother and your husband's anger would have subsided. So go back to them. They are the ones you have offended, not us now. Go and ask them for forgiveness. They will forgive you. They are not angry like that again. Just go to them. See, your husband, Amadi, you hurt him. He loved you so much. He didn't deserve all those things you did. J-boy that you were following, he's now married. You have lost on the two sides. Is he good? Check it now. Is he good? I don't have money to give you for now. I don't have.
Just money for transport. Transportation money. I just want to go and see Amadi. Help me. Because
Okay. Tomorrow, or even next tomorrow, I will look for money to give you.
Tomorrow. I'll come tomorrow.
Don't come. I will come. I will give you.
No. I'll come to your house in the morning tomorrow.
Don't come. I will
come tomorrow to take it.
I will look for money
Hey. What a world. What a world.
I know I'm not worthy to forgive.
Matthew.
Just say you're forgiving me. Let me go and die. Because
Oh my God, tell me again. What did you just say?
Yes, she has been sacked. I told you the petition is going to work.
It did!
And listen, oh my God. The MD says he's coming to see Amadi. And both of you are coming back.
No way!
Yeah.
Are you joking?
No, I'm serious.
You mean I'm coming back to work?
For sure.
Thank you, Jesus. My God, I can't wait. Amadi can't wait to hear this. I can just imagine how thrilled he will be. My goodness. But babe, you know I owe you, right?
You're my friend.
This was made possible by your efforts. My God, thank you.
Oh, come on.
Thank you so much for what you've done for us.
You're
Thank
welcome.
You. Oh my God. What is it? No, as a matter of fact, who is this? Or you're too blind to notice that I'm having a conversation with a friend, right?
I'm sorry. Mama and Obiozo, they are forgiving me. I have apologized to them. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. Visitor, please help me to beg her.
So forgive me for all the troubles I have caused in this family. I've changed.
Ogazi, please. She said she's sorry. Forgive her.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Don't even go there. You don't even know what you're talking about. Are you joking? Forgive this girl? Forgive you for what? Omalicha, after all the troubles you've caused in this family, you're asking me to forgive you. And to think that my brother truly loved you. But you goofed. Now look at you. Didn't I tell you that you're going to regret every of your actions?
Yes.
Didn't I?
Yes. And I'm already regretting it. I regret it. Please, everyone should just forgive me. For the sake of this child, let there be peace. I've changed. Just see me as your younger sister who is very stubborn and now she's back to her senses. I'm a changed person.
Sweetie, please forgive her, okay? For God's sake. If for nothing, the good news I just brought you now should, Alright? Just change your mind and forgive her, okay? Please.
Well, I mean, there's nothing I can say,
Forgive her. Okay.
There's no gain in stirring trouble. If you agree for us to live in peace, we will. What do we gain from, fighting ourselves? If you promise to be a good girl and behave yourself, we're all going to live in peace. Especially now that my brother has a job, a contract job that is paying him.
I've changed.
Oh, look at your sorry face.
Forgive her, it's okay. Come on.
Come here.
Oh my God. Thank you. I've changed it. For your own good.
Mama, is this why you called me out here? What is this evil woman doing here? I want her out of this place. No matter, tell her to leave. Get out. Just go. Leave me alone. Go.
Nah, Biko, we're to go do big. Oh, take it easy.
Just calm down, okay? You need to calm down. Rose, I think you have to leave. I'm sorry.
Please. You should not let me die this way. Please, have a forgiving heart, I beg you.
Mama, I can't. I'm not going to deal with this, Mama. Look, if your mission here is for me to take you back, forget it. It will not happen. You destroyed what we had. You destroyed every emotion in my heart for you. I don't love you anymore, Rose. There is no place for you in my heart. Go. You might be pregnant. When you do have the child and you feel that it is necessary to bring the child home, fine. And if you feel otherwise, I really don't care. I just want you out of my life. Staying with you makes me unhappy. Living with you, Rose, will kill me on time. I want to live long. I want to live long. You're going to kill me. And I have chosen my life over you. Go.
Biko, Rosaline, you have to go first. I know why I just kept quiet on you. Just because of this baby, my first grandchild. That's because of this child I'm keeping quiet on you. Otherwise, you know me now. My first grandchild, that's key. No problem.
Mama, just calm down.
No problem.
Mama, just calm down, please. Mama D, I know you're pissed, okay, but just let's give her a chance to explain herself. Please, just this once. I beg of you, Mama, please.
Mikona, I am sorry. God Almighty bears me witness that nothing evil happened between J-Boy and I. He didn't touch me. Amadi, please, for the sake of my child,
want you to know that even if I don't live to see tomorrow, I would always love you from the depth of my heart. Because you're a good man. Your future would always be better than you today. Mama, God bless you for raising this man here. God bless you for raising him, because he knows what it is to love and respect a woman. I am sorry. I am so sorry. Please, you should find it in your heart to forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm deeply so sorry. Forgive me. Forgive me. I totally regret my actions. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. I am regretting everything. I'm ashamed.